Ndeo, kekimeta. Hi, how are you today? Ahambi Joma, okay? Nene wetaro nkuzi Igbo. Kwamgbe, okay? So ihe nwere ikwu taa bụ ihe ga-enyere gị aka ime ka ịmụta Igbo ngwa ngwa, okay? Something to improve your Igbo learning that will you can get 5 in 1 package, okay? The one thing you need to do to get like 5 in 1 package for your Igbo learning, all right? And what is that? And I'll just get into it straight away. You just need a language coach, an Igbo language coach. And what will an Igbo language coach do for you? Number one, you're going to get teaching. They're going to teach you the Igbo language, which is number one. Number two, very important, you're going to get accountability, okay? So when you know you're having to meet your coach like once a week, you'll be up and doing, you do your homework, you do your speaking practice and whatever you need to do before you meet your Igbo language coach, okay? In that way, you've practiced already. Just because you know you're going to meet your Igbo coach, you don't slack, you don't get lazy, you just do the work that you need to do, okay? So number two is accountability, really important, okay? Number three, you get a speaking practice with your teacher, okay? So if you get an Igbo language coach, you don't have to go looking around for a speaking partner. Like even if you don't have your family close by, you'll be practicing with your teacher. So during the sessions, you'll be speaking Igbo with your coach, and that's your speaking practice. Number four, what do you get? You get direct feedback on your pronunciation. You just get it right away. So as you're speaking with your coach, you just get the correction that you need immediately. If you're making any mistakes in intonation, pronunciation, whatever, you just get direct feedback. Rather than when you're learning on your own, you might sort of need to record yourself and send it and wait for it to come back, okay? But if you're just learning and speaking with your teacher, you get direct feedback, okay? And what's the fifth thing? You get learning resources as well. So whoever is your language coach should be able to provide you with reading materials, video materials, things you need to learn while you're on your own, when you're not with the teacher, okay? So these are the 5 things you can get by getting yourself a coach. You get accountability, you get teaching, you get speaking practice, you get learning resources, and you get feedback on your pronunciation, okay? And right now, my Igbostudy Speakers Bootcamp is open, okay? And there's some bonuses for anybody that registers now. Within the next 2 days, you get an extra bonus, okay? If you just click on the link attached to this video, go straight to Igbo Speakers Bootcamp and get yourself a group coaching. I do a group coaching program, okay? And you can get an extra bonus if you register in the next 48 hours, okay? One code, na sukwibo. Code.